Hi, welcome to Chemistry 1032. Over the next couple of minutes, I'll walk you through how you can access the e-text that you'll need for this course and also mastering using the First Day program. With First Day, you pay a reduced fee for your course materials, and you also have easy access to the e-text and mastering in this case because it's a single sign-on from web courses directly into the software and into the e-text. The textbook that's going to be used for this course is the TRO chemistry book, and assignments will be given in mastering, and you'll also have access to videos in a self-study area. And all of this will be accessed through web courses or your Canvas course. There's two very, very important things that you must do this very first week of class. Number one, click on modules. This is how you'll access the e-text and mastering. And number two, click on course materials. This is where you'll opt in and purchase access at a reduced fee for the rest of the semester. These two actions must be made before the absolute deadline of January the 16th, but the drop add deadline of Friday, January 14th is the recommended opt-in period in case you have any questions or problems. So number one, sign into web courses and then look for the modules tab. Off to the right, you're going to see some mastering links. This can change depending on how your instructor has set it up, but look for any of the main mastering links or e-text links. The very first time you click on them, you have to agree to terms of use and then click continue. And then you'll you'll simply go back to modules and then into any of these links to access the e-text or the mastering assignments. Access to this is open access free during the first week of class. In order to continue having access to the e-text and mastering, you'll have to opt in. And you must do this before Friday, January 14th, or the absolute deadline of the 16th. And in order to do that, look for the course materials button, and then you're going to opt in, and then you'll pay the reduced fee of $83, and this charge will go to your student account. If you don't opt in and purchase after this deadline, the price goes up to about $128. So step by step, go into web courses, click on course materials, click on opt in, and then make sure you go to your Knight's email and save the confirmation email as a receipt. Do all of this before Friday, January 14th, or the absolute deadline of January 16th. Double check, triple check that you have opted in. You'll see this on the confirmation email, and if you switch sections, triple check again that you have the right section and that you've opted in the section you're enrolled in. Also remember that you're opting in per course. So if you opt into biology, you still have to opt into chemistry. So for the rest of the semester, after you've opted in, you'll always go to modules and web courses to access the e-text and mastering. In order to go do your mastering assignments, you're going to go into web courses, click on modules and look for the assignments, and you'll have access for the rest of the semester if you opt in. So what happens if you don't opt in? If you don't opt in, you will lose access sometime after the drop add period, and if you want to purchase access, you'll have to manually do so and you'll pay the higher price. So what happens if you don't opt in? You'll lose access, you'll have to repurchase access at a higher price, and it can take up to 24 to 48 hours to get access reestablished for you. Where do you purchase access after the drop add period and after you're cut off? You're going to have to go to the bookstore and go to the textbook area or to the main bookstore website. And remember, it can take 24 to 48 hours to reactivate you. If you have questions about opting in, contact the UCF bookstore directly. You can call them at this number or go to these URLs or go to the bookstore textbook area. If you have questions about Pearson, about the e-text or mastering, you can scan this and connect with us via Zoom the first week of class, or scan this code and you can connect with me via email, or you fill out a form and I'll get back to you via email. Throughout the semester, tech support's available 24/7 using this QR code, or just Google Pearson Technical Support. Live phone and chat is available from 10 a.m. to 10 p.m. If you have questions about mastering or something's not loading properly, clear your cache and cookies. If you're not sure, check your browser settings. And if you still have issues, contact Pearson Technical Support. These can help you. If you still have trouble, then contact me and I'll be sure to help you out. You're going to have a great semester, but reach out if you have issues. Thanks.